Okay, everyone. Today is the day. We are going to the beach.
Yay, the beach, the beach! I can't wait, I can't wait!
Me neither. This is going to be the best day ever.
Anna, did you check the tent? We need it for tonight.
Yes, I checked it twice. It's already in the car trunk.
Mom! My doll wants to see the ocean too. Can she come?
Of course, sweetie. She's part of our family adventure. Bobby, can you help me carry this cooler bag? It's heavy.
Whoa! What's in here, Mom? It's like carrying rocks.
We have apple slices, cookies, sandwiches, and your favorite juice boxes.
Mom, what does journey mean? You said it before.
A journey means a long trip, honey. We will drive for 3 hours.
3 hours? That's forever.
Don't worry, we'll sing songs and play games. Time will fly by.
Perfect. Everything is in. Team, are we ready?
Yes, Captain Dad. Ready for adventure.
Wait. Did we forget anything? Tent, sleeping bags, food.
I have my doll. That's the most important thing.
You're absolutely right, Kelly. Now let's hit the road.
Everyone, buckle up. Safety first. No journey starts without seatbelts.
Mom, how much longer? Are we there yet?
We just started, Bobby. It's a 3-hour journey. We have a long way to go.
Look, kids, the city is behind us. Now we see green hills and cows.
Look! The trees are dancing! They're waving hello to us!
What a beautiful way to say it, Kelly. The wind makes them move, doesn't it?
I'm already getting hungry. Can we eat something?
Who wants snacks? I have apples, cookies, and crackers.
Mom, can you pass me the apple slices, please?
And pass me a cookie, please. Please, please.
Here you go. Excellent job saying please. That's very polite.
Remember, kids, pass me means give me. Very useful phrase.
Let's practice. Bobby, can you pass Kelly a napkin?
Here you go, Kelly. 1 napkin for you.
Thank you, Bobby. You're a good brother.
We made it. Welcome to Paradise Beach, everyone.
Oh my goodness. Look at that blue ocean. It's stunning.
It's huge. It goes on forever and ever and ever.
Mom, the air smells weird. It's like salty chips.
That's the ocean breeze. Fresh, salty, and clean. Isn't it wonderful?
Okay, team. First, we set up camp. Then we play. Bobby, help me with the tent. Bobby, hold this pole straight. I'll hammer it into the sand.
Like this, Dad? Is it straight now?
Perfect. You're doing an amazing job. We make a great team.
Kelly, help me smooth this blanket. Pull that corner.
I'm pulling, Mom. Is it good?
Wonderful, sweetie. Now we have a cozy place to sit. Okay, explorers, time for a treasure hunt. Let's find beautiful shells.
I'm going to find the prettiest shell in the whole world.
Mom, look what I found. It's a crystal. It's like ice.
Wow, that's special. It's transparent. You can see right through it.
Mom, look! My shell is pink and shiny, like a princess crown.
It's a real treasure, Kelly. Put it in the bucket carefully. Wait, where's Kelly? Kelly? Kelly?
She was just here. Bobby, did you see your sister?
Kelly, baby, where are you? Answer me.
Kelly, this isn't funny. Come back.
I see her. She's by the water. Kelly!
Mommy, the wave is coming. It's big.
Don't move, Kelly. Mommy's coming. Stay right there. I've got you. I've got you. You're safe now.
Mommy, I was so scared. The water was so cold and big.
Shh, shh. It's okay. You're safe. Mommy has you. You're okay.
Kelly, you must always stay with us near the ocean. It's dangerous alone.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I just wanted to find more shells.
I know, baby. But the ocean is very powerful. We need to be careful.
What does powerful mean, Mommy?
Powerful means very strong. The waves are strong. They can push you down.
Next time, tell us where you're going, okay? We're a team.
Okay, I promise. I won't run away again.
Look at this. Someone left trash on our beautiful beach.
That's terrible. Trash doesn't belong here.
You're right. If we take treasures from the beach, we must keep it clean.
I found more trash. I'll put it in our bag.
Great idea. Let's all help. We need to protect the ocean.
I'm so proud of you both. This is being responsible.
The wind is too strong. The smoke keeps going everywhere.
Dad, I can't see. The smoke is in my eyes.
It hurts.
Everyone grab the picnic cloth.
The cloth? What for?
We'll use it to block the wind. Kelly, hold this corner. Bobby, that corner.
Like this, Mommy? Am I doing it right?
Perfect. You're blocking the wind. Great job.
It works. The fire is lit. You're a genius, Anna.
We did it. We solved the problem together.
This is teamwork. When we work together, we can solve anything.
I helped. I'm a good team worker.
Yes, you are. Now let's cook the best barbecue ever.
They smell amazing. My mouth is watering.
Look at these. Perfect golden brown. Not burnt.
See this color, Kelly? Golden brown means cooked perfectly.
What about this one? Is it golden brown too?
This is the best corn I ever tasted.
Perfect. Not too dark, not too light. Just right.
Everything tastes better at the beach.
Wow! Look at that sunset. Orange, pink, and purple.
It looks like someone painted the sky.
Look, the sunset shines through my crystal.
Let's look at your treasures. You found so many beautiful things. We'll hang Kelly's shells at home. They'll be a wind chime.
A wind chime? What's that?
When wind blows, the shells touch and make a pretty sound, like music.
Mom, the stars are coming out. I see 3, 4, 5.
That one is the brightest. It's winking at us.
This is perfect. Our family, the ocean, and a million stars.
Today was scary, but we stayed together. That's what families do.
I'm sleepy, Mummy. Can we go to the tent?
Of course, my brave girl. Let's get cozy in our sleeping bags.
This sleeping bag is like a giant warm hug.
My shell is still shiny, even in the dark.
You were both so brave today. Kelly, you were scared, but you stayed calm.
Because you came to save me, Mummy.
Listen. Hear that sound? It's the ocean singing a lullaby.
A lullaby is a gentle song that helps you sleep. The waves are singing to you.
Good night, ocean. Good night, pink shell. Good night, family.
Best day ever.
What an incredible beach adventure! Today we learned so many useful English words and phrases. We used journey for a long trip. We practiced pass me when asking for things politely. We learned about treasures like shells and crystals. We talked about being powerful, which means very strong, like ocean waves. We learned teamwork means working together to solve problems. When we blocked the wind with the cloth, that was teamwork. We used food words like golden brown, juicy, and tender. And we learned that a lullaby is a soft song for sleeping. But most importantly, we learned that families stay together, even when things get scary. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. Please subscribe to Daily English Family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this beach story, and share it with friends learning English. Your support helps us create more family stories. Remember, learning English is an adventure. See you next time.